बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is Decor Art signing in, and I am going to share with you a most beautiful and super stunning garden recycling decoration ideas. These are very beautiful ideas and very stunning ideas for you guys. These are most stunning and super unique and most beautiful collection for you guys. So viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. This is very beautiful and very amazing. Garden decoration ideas for you guys. So thank you for watching my videos, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. These are very unique, very stunning and very beautiful. Collection for you guys. So thank you for watching my videos. These are very beautiful and very stunning ideas for you guys. Always take care of yourself and keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very stunning, very beautiful and very unique collection for you guys. So remember me in your prayers, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are very stunning, very beautiful and very unique ideas for you guys. Take care guys. Always think positive. Always be positive. These are very unique and very classy and very amazing ideas for you guys. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys.